Hello. Check microphone 1, 2. Okay, welcome back. As I told you, I want to record this intermediate analysis. As the week started, and forecasted the previous analysis we made, I told you it's a bullish week. And as you can see, this is GBP USD. But let's first see, or let's first look at our economic calendar. Let's see what's really or what might happen. Steam.com. Let's look at our economic calendar. If I see tomorrow, what are we expecting tomorrow? Tomorrow we are having human business expectations. What's SPN? Initial jobless claims on the US dollar, 830. We got nothing much tomorrow. So let's expect a fateful tomorrow. Now, this is GBP USD. Let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. But before 15, let me first look at it on a hourly time frame. I see some of the major liquidity points which we are targeting. As you can see, however, some other times I'm not always available. You know the reason as to why this level was utilized for buys. You know the reason as to why it was retraced or it was utilized. If you're to see this doji, this is what we call a pin bar, but it's a bullish pin bar. Ever much, no matter the color, no matter its direction, we are still considering its highs and lows. Now, I've switched to a 15 minutes time frame direct, all lower time frames. I see. Now, this was a liquidity sweep, and this liquidity sweep, actually, it gave you a clear indication, or it gave you a clear signal that we are bullish after printing this pattern. You can see this is a bullish engulfing pattern. Right there and then, we got a bullish engulfing patterns. Actually, this old trend, it was all that what? Bullish. You got this Arami. Arami, however much it's not all that perfect. But this is also another what? Another indication. So if I'm to say, I'll be targeting this level for some short-term buys. Let me switch to 5 minutes. I see. Yeah, that's already a very good zone, or it's already a strong zone. Some other people might think that it's not valid. Why? Because it didn't pull out liquidity. No. Remember, this was a 1-hour chart, and this was a 1-hour candle, and they took out its what? Its low. Listen, however much they took out its low, there was an inversion. This move, it inversed a certain move. That's why I'm considering it to be strong high, or it will be a supportive high. And you can see one touch, two touch, two touches. So let's consider it for our buys. Let me look at Euro USD. This is Euro USD. This is Euro USD. And if it's Euro USD, what are we anticipating, or what should we expect? Let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. You can see the way it's forming. You know, I'm a man of price action. I like to see what really price is printing, right? You can see that pattern. If we are to go below here, we have to look at this level. Let me tell you something. Technical analysis is all about you understanding several levels. You understanding a lot in the market. This is a selling level. If we are to go below this level, but if we are above this level, then I'll have to go to 5 minutes time frame. I really see what's going on. And Euro USD is really indecisive. It's not deciding, or it's not giving us a clear map on where we going, on what's next. And if you're to see, there is this support level. It was premiered by this high. this short-term high. However much it's on a 1 minute. Remember, every time frame it respects its conditions. However much it's 1 minute, there is a liquidity on 1 minute, and even these laws are respected. They are respected on a lower time frame, on a 1 minute time frame. Let me look at XAU USD. Welcome back from gold today. Actually, I didn't look at my charts today. It was a busy day on my side. It was a busy day on my side. And that's why I didn't even all that live stream. I was busy. It was a busy day. Actually, the market, according to my forecast, it didn't retrace up to this level because this is the forecast I gave you. Was it yesterday? Yeah. Yeah, it was yesterday. It didn't retrace up to this level, but it just did what? It just continued going up. And according to what I'm seeing here, moment, I check. Oh my goodness. Moment, we are going. I'm gonna give us something. Ninachononya, I think it can still help us, still help me or you. Okay. Okay, let's proceed according to what I'm seeing, and according to what I'm seeing, it's not giving me what I really want, so I have to just do it in this. I have to use the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart for my insights, for my perfect insights. That's another level, because remember, we had traded in these areas, so I have a reason as to why this is a stronger resistance level, and this is another target. You have to be eyeing for resistance levels. This is also another target for our market to be all for where our market should be trading. And here to see, even before that level, look at this level. This was a selling level. Selling level. But right now, if we are to be looking at our next draw on liquidity, it should be this level. I looked at these fundamentals and I didn't see this. But again, technically, it's really giving me what I want. Now, I'm using the 4-hour chart and the 1-hour chart to see really where my draw on liquidity is and where the strong level should all be. So this is my draw on liquidity, and this is my target. If I'm to be buying tomorrow, I'll be strongly looking at that level, price level. So if you're to see, still, there is this level too, and it is a strong resistance. Actually, it was a resistance level, but remember, after it, got a liquidity takeout. So this is another good level for us to exercise our buying rights. Understand? For us, exercise our buying rights if it's not a resistance. So let's look at a BTC, and it's continuing its rally. It's continuing its rally. Yeah. ekyayambuka. So anyway, when it's rally, I'm going to first look at it. So this isn't a bad place, or this is not a bad target for you, or for it to be buying. And the moment we bounce back at this level, we form a swing high. Let's consider short positions. Let's consider some good short positions, or some short-term strong ones, lower levels. So we enter get a launch. Yes, oil. This is US oil. You can see this resistance after a liquidity sweep, but still look at these points. Look at these points. Trend line what? Trend line? Otherwise, let me allow you do your analysis. Allow me stop here with this video. Call it a day.